Hello everyone, welcome to Life on Planet Earth. I am Dr. Engohang-Ndong. I will be your instructor throughout the next 17 weeks for this course, Life on Planet Earth. I want you to feel welcome. I want you to know that you matter to me. What you have to say is important to me. So whatever you have, whatever you want to say, I want you to speak out your mind. Now, obviously, we are a community. We have to be respectful toward each other. So while we are open to all ideas, we want to make sure that we do things in a respectful manner, in a way that allows our class to thrive as a community. With that being said, and knowing that you will do your very best to bring you best of yourself in this community, let me tell you a little bit about life on planet Earth. Life on planet Earth is divided into 4 modules. One module will focus on ecology, in which we are going to address population, ecology, community ecology, ecosystems. The second module will focus on evolution. What do we mean by evolution? What is microevolution? What is macroevolution? The development of new species. Then we're going to digress a little bit and we're going to dive into the cell. We're going to take a look at the cell structure and functions. How is the cell organized? How does it work? And finally, we're going to address the energy the cell needs to perform all the different activities that are happening inside of the cell. We're going to take a look at cell reproduction, but also sexual reproduction. We're going to take a look at how parents pass their traits to offspring, right? Now, with that being said, let's dissect a little bit each of the modules. Each of the modules in this class will be composed of a page with lecture PowerPoint presentations that are going to be made available to you. For each chapter in this module, you're going to have lecture videos that are going to help you grasp the material. So as you watch the lecture videos, please take notes, write down questions, send me questions, ask your classmates questions, things you don't understand. And if you understand something that somebody else doesn't understand, be willing to share, right? There is going to be room for you to share what you have mastered that other people have not mastered. Each module is going to have reading assignments and homework. The homeworks are graded and you will have to turn them in at very specific time. So please pay attention to the due dates. And then every single module is going to have 2 discussion forums. One discussion forum that is going to be due midway to the module, and the last discussion forum is going to happen at the very end of the module. That is going to be comprehensive of the entire module. Each discussion is each discussion goes with a rubric. That rubric is to guide you so that you can make the most out of the discussion forum. You are going to see in the rubric that there is a time by which you have to turn in your main post, right? Before you can actually see what other people have posted, you will need to first of all post your main contribution. Then after you have posted your main contribution, then you are going to see what other students have contributed. And you are expected to react to what other students have contributed. These reactions are very important to actually allow a discussion to happen. Without that discussion, well, there is no discussion, right? And we want to be able to interact with each other, to engage with each other. That is very important. So make sure that as you are being engaged in discussion, that you don't just post your main contribution and never look at the discussion again. You want to not only place your main contribution, but also react to what your classmates have said and what your classmates have said about your own post. Each module is going to have a quiz, and that quiz is intended to prepare you for the module exam, which is going to actually serve as a capstone to that exam. To that module. So in a nutshell, this is how modules are going to be organized, and this is how the class is going to be organized. And again, I want you to feel welcome. I want you to feel that you matter, because you matter to me. So please, if you have any observation, do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I will do my very best to address your need in a timely manner. If, say, you shoot me an email and after 24, 48 hours, I have not responded, I'm not neglecting your email. It's just that we get flooded with a lot of emails. Feel free to follow up. Send me a follow-up message and tell me, Dr. Jean, I tried reaching out to you some time ago. I have not heard from you. This is a reminder about what I asked. Can you please provide me with an answer? And I will do my very best to get back to you. So again, welcome to Life on Planet Earth. And I hope you are going to make this community your community, because this is your community. I'm looking forward to interacting with you throughout the semester, and best for the next 14 weeks, 14 to 17 weeks, not 14, 17 weeks. Take care now.